Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam came and dismounted in the courtyard of the Kaaba. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam sent for Hazrat Usman bin Talha radiyallahu anhu. He brought the key and opened the door. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, as well as Hazrat Bilal, Hazrat Osama and Hazrat Talha radiyallahu anhum entered the Kaaba. The door was closed at his behest. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam and these companions radiyallahu anhum stayed inside for quite a long time and then opened the door. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I rushed and met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam outside before all the people, while Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu was behind him. I asked Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu, did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam perform the prayer? He replied, yes. I asked, where? He said, between the two pillars which were in front of him. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I forgot to ask how many units he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam performed. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3218.